and in this video of MongoDB we will learn how insert in MongoDB works, and then we would also understand the difference between the insert and the save. So I have a valid JSON document over here which is having different kind of fields, and I am going to save this over here. So there are a couple of ways. First is I can just do a insert, and instead of passing this I'll pass my own object and then I would save it. So if everything is good it would save it, otherwise it would give some error. So we would find it's a valid JSON, we can convert it in a single row, and then we would retry the same query. So we have a insert, and then we do a save, and save is successful. As soon as save is successful, it would tell you the prompt right result inserted 1, and that's it. When we tried last time, there could be some space or empty space, because of which this was giving some error, but that's fine. So we just made it a single row or single line, and then we were able to do the successful insert over here. Now there is one more method. You can achieve the same thing by doing the save as well. So instead of calling it as save insert, if I do a save, it would do the same thing for me. Let's try. And then it says it insert. So there are two commands essentially to actually do the insertion or creating a record in MongoDB. First is insert, second is save. For insert, you have to provide the so you can skip underscore ID, and once it gets saved, you would see the result. So these are the documents which got saved basically, or created, the records or documents which got created. Now when you do insert, it only means insert, but when you save you can update the document and make some changes. So I'll show you what I meant by that. For example, if I have underscore ID field, let me do a find on that, db dot test collection dot find, and we have this field. So we see only one result. Now inside this, if I would call as save, and then I would give it some other information as well. For example, I would like to do a roll number as 420 and some other fields, for example, which I'm not giving it. So you have to make sure when you're calling save, if you have underscore ID, it would save the document with whatever value you give it, which means it would update the document. So I'll just show you, prove that. So it matched a record based on the underscore ID, which is the default field or the default identifier, and then it did modify it. And now if you would see the same stuff, you would be surprised that it is having the new structure, not the old one. So we'll just do a normal find first. So if you do a normal find, this one is the record which got updated. So first time if you have to insert, do a insert query, but next time if you have to make some modifications, then you can call the save. So save would work as two queries. One is update and insert. If underscore ID is not given, it would work as the insert. If underscore ID is given, which means if the record is existing record, then it would work as the update. So that's the biggest difference between the save and the insert. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions related to that, shoot me an email or comment on the video and I'll reply back.